At MSL, and as a member of the wider Publicis Global Agency Network, we're constantly serving clients that are remote, that are all over the world. So our teams have to act virtually, work globally, and collaborate in real time.
One change that we've noticed in our offices, people are looking to have brainstorm meetings just so they can use the Samsung Flip. Some of the key features which makes our lives a lot easier is that it can hold up to 20 pages. You can import a document via USB drive. You can pull it down from the network. You can pull it up from your phone. Everyone is engaged because there's no need for them to take notes because all of the notes are being taken directly onto the Samsung Flip, and they know that after the meeting, we're going to send that recap note to all meeting attendees, all by just pushing export, send via email, and all meeting attendees will have all pages from that collaboration meeting.
One of the things I think we've learned about technology is that if any technological tool, or frankly any tool you use, is more complicated than the way you might have done it before, it's simply not going to work. We had none of that with Flip. The moment our team members saw it, they intuitively understood the power that it permitted them in their brainstorming processes. So we've enjoyed having Flips in our office because if nothing else, it adds to the collaborative nature of our culture, but says in a moment that we are the future.